Hi guys, welcome back. Well, I've been cracking on making the bevel grinding jig. It's just about completed now. Initially I had the handles on the base plate, and I give it a quick try on the belt grinder. But I think they're going to be more. It's going to be more controllable if they have them on the upright section. I think the pressure that you insert will be a bit more controllable there. So let's just fit these. Yeah, I think that position gives a bit more control. Well, the upright is adjustable, guys, to whatever angle you require. It's preloaded on a spring. This is the adjuster for altering the angle. I've got it set at the moment for the angle that I think I'm going to be using. So that's that. Got plenty of holes drilled and tapped for 6mm screws for supporting the work, and they also act as a stop for when the workpiece is in. The way the workpiece clamps in, I've got this vice mechanism on the back. When it opens, this is a large rasp that I've had in the heat treating oven. I thought it would be an ideal piece to give things a try. So that slides into the clamp and then tightens up with these cap screws. So that's how the workpiece is held. Yeah, these cap screws will just screw it in and out, so the workpiece is parallel with the upright and acts as a support. Now I'm going to warn you back, guys, to how I actually constructed this, but that's the finished item. Let's go back to see how it was made. Hi guys, welcome back. This is a follow on from my previous video. I showed you how I'd roughed out this knife that I'm making. It's now ready to go back into the oven to be heat treated. So while it's in there, I'm going to crack on with the bevel grinder for the belt sander. The two plates that I showed, I've cut them down to length. Made a start on cleaning them up. But at the stage now I've got a feeling there's a slight warp in them, so I'm going to put them on the surface grinder and give them a quick once over, and then I've got to come up with some way of attaching the bottom to the side. Right guys, well I have tried this bevel grinder on my belt sander, and the problem I've got, this is the tool rest plate that I've had on the belt sander, and it isn't large enough. When you can see the difference with the plate on the bevel jig, when you're moving the jig left and right, there isn't enough support on this plate for the entire plate, entire base for the jig. So I'm going to have to make up a larger one of that. I have given it a try, and in principle it works fine. It's just isn't enough support on it. Now a while ago I posted a video showing adjustable tool grinder that I use with my horizontal mill using this greenstone. So I thought, well, why not use the bevel jig in the same way? Extremely controllable with the machine. This particular mill works on a lever action. There's a screw action for in and out, but it's basically ideal for grinding. So I've set it up on the table, got it roughly about half height. So let's give it a try and see what results we get with this. Now at the moment guys, this whole file has only been in the heat treating oven. Normally before I do any grinding on it, I'd machine it down possibly on the surface grinder, so it's equal width all along. At the moment it's narrower at the tip than it is at the base, so that won't give it an even grind. But just for an experiment, we'll see what kind of finish we're getting on it. If that shows up, that's probably the best angle there. So it has started to take the raised teeth off now. So I think I'd like to master doing the bevel grinds on the belt sander. I think that's just a matter of practice to perfect that art, but you cannot beat a machine for getting an even grind on the full length. So there you go guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe and leave some comments. More videos coming very soon, and thanks for watching.